So diabetes is a very common disease, both in the developed world and the underdeveloped world. This is due to our general poor dietary habits and to our general poor lifestyle. Projection indicates that in the future diabetes will become even more prevalent. So it is essential to come up with new methods to measure quantity of sugar that we have in the blood, so that we can assess how many people are in danger of developing diabetes during their lifetime. These days we measure the amount of glucose that we have in the blood during our blood tests. So we need to go to the hospitals, take a blood sample. Within a couple of days we get the measurement of our, not just the level of glucose, but all our blood analysis back. That requires very extensive infrastructures like laboratories and hospitals, because some of these analyses need to be made using expensive equipment, which also require training personnel. Our idea is to develop a chip that would be easy to use and very cheap, also very economic, so that people can test quickly and readily their level of sugar in the blood. You need to take like a drop of your blood, and you can do it easily at home by yourself. And the idea is to put that drop of blood into a chip where there is a sensor, which is an enzyme that has been engineered, and that's the basis of our technology, has been engineered to recognize a very important biomarker of diabetes, which is called the glycated hemoglobin. This kind of device, this kind of sensor, would help people to detect in the early stage of the disease, detect the problem that they may have in the future with diabetes. There are many companies in the world which are actively doing research in this direction, but it's a complicated project because it requires the engineering of enzymes that become very unstable as soon as we introduce modifications to them that alter their natural structure. We think that we managed to obtain an engineered form of an enzyme that is particularly active on detecting glycated hemoglobin. We think that we will be able to develop a sensor that will allow cheap and quick quantification of glycated hemoglobin in the blood.